The Egungun masqueraders are searching for their lost mask bearer, and their frenzied violence increases as they sense the presence of Murano at the end of the play. The violence infects the drivers, especially Sei Tokyo Kid, who feels the professor is disrespecting their tradition. When Sei Tokyo Kid criticizes the professor, he is frenzied by their incomprehension and opposition. The professor encourages Murano to wear the Ogun mask he was wearing at the time he was hit by Kotonu's truck. The last scene of the play is the mad enactment of the resurrection. It is evening time and Murano is distributing palm wine. Suddenly he is seen to throw aside the mask with its obvious disturbing intimations of a buried past. Professor pulls him up and takes him to the store. Then, after some minutes, and all too abruptly, the Egungun, the masked god, Ogun, emerges from the store. It is Murano who comes wearing the mask. The spirit of the mask enters him and he behaves like one who is possessed. Everybody becomes serious. The professor too behaves like one possessed. Sei Tokyo Kid gets drunk and challenges the Egungun mask. Sei Tokyo Kid also leaps at the professor. He snatches the palm wine god from Murano and smashes it against the wall. Feeling insulted by the professor's disregard for the customs of the Ogun, Sei Tokyo Kid stabs the professor with the knife provided by Salubi. Sei Tokyo Kid sees the professor as an intruder into the Ogun rite and as a religious violator. Murano, wearing the mask, lifts Sei Tokyo Kid and smashes him on a bench. Professor's death is also the death of the mask wearer. The conflict between Sei Tokyo Kid and the professor was clearly established. For the captain of the thugs, despite his American gangster accent, was obviously deeply conservative and intensely religious. He is convinced of the power of the spiritual world over humans and was clearly suspicious of the professor's manipulation of Murano in his quest to find out about death. The professor seems to have found the word, or has he? In any case, he dies by saying, "Be even like the road itself. Flatten your bellies with the hunger of an unpropitious day. Power your hands with the knowledge of death." The professor instructs his followers to imitate the road in all its treachery and destruction.